guys, so I am pretty much doing this. It's an unusual video because it's going to be different. It's not going to be Roblox, but yay, season 7 came out, I think. Yeah, season 7 came out. So yeah. Season 7 came out. So I saw the iceberg. I played like the squad game. I mean solo game. So yeah, it was pretty cool. I mean, I kind of like that. I kind of like that snow place. Kind of don't. But it's good. I kind of like it a lot. I'm just gonna wait for Prodigy to work. Okay. Okay, good job. It knows my password and stuff already. Oh, and by the way, it's December already, so yay. It's turning to the last month already. That's cool, I guess. It's cool. I mean home. Let me turn down my volume. And you got do this. Hey, hold on. I got an Xbox message. Okay, good. Oh, thank you. Home. Skip that. Think that. I won't play that. Okay. Okay. Already finished this guy. You suck, Prodigy. Just kidding. I know. Sorry, guys. Ear rape. Do 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 do. Oh, why, computer? Why? Okay, it's loading. 9.7. Yes, I know this is easy work, guys. And yes, the background is now lighter. Like, really light because I put down the shades. You can see. Yeah? Okay. Bye. Yay, my friends are gone. And then that's 3. It's basically easiness. So we're gonna be playing Prodigy for this whole, actually, I'm gonna keep myself safe and do this. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be playing Prodigy, till it's done. Till this video is done. So, yeah. Go watch another video if you don't like Prodigy, or if you're offended of it, or whatever. Okay, it's too high. Damn, Daniel. I got him. Okay. Which one should I do? I'll just do this one. Yes, I'm not a loud type, but I kinda am. I normally use my headphones every time I go on my computer, so oof. Because I don't want it loud in my house. Actually, I might text my mom. Okay, I might text my mom right after this video. That's 1. That's 10. 100. That's easy. Let's hope no stalker just looks in. It's gonna be creepy. Let's hope that doesn't happen today. If it does, please give me a lot of likes, guys. I mean, like, a lot of likes. I mean, you guys don't need to give me likes, cause I don't care. Oh, guys, if you want to friend me in Fortnite, here's my user. I like templates. That. It's pretty much that. So yeah, that's if you want to friend me on Fortnite. I'm only tier 1 because season 7 came out, so I'm gonna get up my tier. Actually, I might do it on camera. I don't know. Oh, come on. No, I'm gonna put my face cam right there for now. Yes, I know it's gonna be. No, never mind. Oh, I don't want to be a member. Yeah, boy. Ooh, who's Abby? Probably. I don't know. Someone in my class, though. It has to be. Okay, embers. Let's do embers. 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Yeah, boy. Rain embers on you, cause you weak, boy. Oh, wait, never mind. Hold on. Okay. Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh wow, 7 more minutes until this recording is gone, so I gotta hurry up and play Prodigy more. 7. Bring down the 7. Bring down the 7 again. So easy! Not like I never knew it. Dang, my camera's so delayed right now. Cool. I know, I love division and multiplication. But I hate hard problems. Like, I really hate them. Prodigy's easy. Go math is easy for me. Like, nothing is in my style anymore. Cool. You can see in my mouse right here. Oh no, I got into another fight. But look guys. Light, and then that's white, bluish. It comes to dark again. Mine is the favorite dark. My favorite is the dark, so I'm gonna use dark because it looks cool in the dark and stuff. The dark blue. Yay! Yay. Oh, I got a message. Someone has been looking at my TikToks and stalking me on my TikToks. Uh-huh. Let me see this. This is simple. That is simple. I'm gonna go do a TikTok of you guys right now. So yeah. I'm gonna do a TikTok. Also, if you wanna follow me on TikTok, here's my user. That is my user for TikTok. Okay, back to the video. Oh, hold on. Yay. Okay. Damn, Wilson. Inside of me, don't forget about me. Okay, I'm gonna do that one. Inside of me, don't forget about me. Okay, I already lost the vision. I forgot everything. Okay, I'm just gonna take a video of a TikTok right now, guys. Okay, you guys can see on my TikTok if you want. Okay, I think I did good. What's inside of me? That was a sucky shake. You know, I'm gonna do it sideways. Sideways is always the best for me. Do this. Okay, I think I did it good. What's inside of me? Don't forget. Sucky shake again. Cringy. You know what? I'm gonna do it better than before. Cause I suck. There, I think I did it good this time. Don't know what's inside. Okay, this is the last try I'll do, okay, guys? Okay, I did it better, so it's good, I think. Oh my god, yes. Okay, I'm gonna post it. Oh god. I want you to be mine again, babe. Okay, I'm gonna stop now, okay? Okay, I'm gonna pause it. What? Whoa. Oh, there. Did it wrong. That's my neck. Damn, so much slides, man.